finished creating your AI voiceover and ready to save it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download audio from Murf AI in 2026, including how to prepare your project, export your file, and what to do if the download option isn't available. First, sign into your Murf AI account and open the project you want to download. Before exporting, play your voiceover one more time to make sure everything sounds exactly the way you want. If you've made any recent edits to your script or voice settings, generate the voiceover again before downloading. This ensures your exported file includes all of your latest changes. Once your voiceover is ready, locate the download or export button. Depending on the current version of Murf AI and your subscription, you may see different export options or audio formats. Choose your preferred export settings if prompted, then start the download. The export process may take a few moments, especially for longer voiceovers. Once it's complete, the audio file will be saved to your device. If you don't see the download option, check whether your current plan includes audio exports. Some features may only be available with specific subscriptions, while free accounts are often limited to previews or trial usage. And that's how you download audio from Murf AI in 2026. So once your file is saved, it's ready to use in videos, podcasts, presentations, or any other project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.